Welcome to 4-Point TV. The attack on military checkpoint in Umuahia, South Local Government Area of Abia State. This attack represents or symbolizes the insecurity when it don dey increase in the Nigeria southeast. This incident so happened on November 13th, 2024, which really shows that the region dey very volatile to attack and mark the confrontation between security forces and a separatist group like IPOB and their brother, the ESN. One thing I go really bring out from this attack be say the nature and the impact of this attack. The gunmen targeted the military checkpoint. They begin scatter everywhere. They say they don't want that checkpoint again. And this one actually result to combat, engagement, fight, wey now lead to the death of 2 military personnel. Then not only that, we find out that these same people, they abandon 2 of their vehicle, high value vehicle, like this Lexus Jeep, one a Lexus Jeep, the other one a Toyota Sienna. They hurriedly leave that scene. That means they themselves too, they were afraid because of say the military feel reinforce, come back to attack them. For them to leave these 2 more to run, leave them. Now they say they themselves too, they were afraid. They run comot. Then another thing what I want to bring out again is the association with this separatist movement. That's the involvement of IPOB and the ESN is very consistent with this group ongoing activities in the southeast, which often the result between the challenging between state authority through targeted attacks by these people. This alignment actually similar in incident in the southeast. Not be just now the whole thing start, where this group they begin to cause violence against security personnel and facilities within that area. Then we equally see the military, they not just keep quiet like that, they respond. The response of the military. Then the Operation Udoka now call the people of this state. They say, we no fit fight this fight on our own. They come to emphasize the importance of intelligence gathering to be able to combat to fight these people when they cause this wahala for the area. But however, if you look on the brothers and use wide eye to look this one, you go really find out say the security forces they feel not really get good information because the relationship between them and the people not really dey okay like that. So as a result of that, reliable information will not come out for them. Then if you look up for the broader sense again, you will see say the attack, they point out something that the security of the southeast don't really they go down where the area not they secure like that again. Because of that, this one they cause fear in the people because of this insurgency. So such activities don't remove confidence from people. No confidence against say the state will provide security for them to maintain order for the area. And because of this one will lead to more military presence and activity for that area. So the persistent tension between the federal forces and this separatist group, they cause political and ethnic wahala for the area. Wetin I will conclude as a result of this matter be say, this incident, when it happen for southeast, so it need different approach to am. Different approach to security challenges, even in Nigeria too. They need to combine intelligence-driven military operation with a social political strategies aimed at addressing the root causes of this unrest. Make them dig deep. Wetin dey cause this wahala wey e dey happen for this southeast. Without such effort to know wetin dey cause this wahala, every other thing no go work. The federal government, the state government, if they not check wetin be the root cause of this problem, e no go work. I want to make you watch this short video when I attach Jonah when I still get. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Remain safe.
We are removing it. We are removing it. Alex Yoma Oti. We are removing it. Alex, we are giving you people order. Alex, we are giving you people order. We say we don't need this kind of nonsense again. Today is 13th. Today is 13th. 13th of November. 13th of November. 13th of November 2024. Alex, we are dismantling this checkpoint. And we are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order. We are giving you a direct order not to come close. If we see this nonsense again, Alex, you are gone. If we see this nonsense again, Alex.
Jesus Christ. Jesus, I can't talk about it. But what do you know about fishing? What can you imagine? I got by force. I got by force. Now I have what? There's so many no problem. Eh? I have so many no problem. I'm not sure. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Eh? I have a loss of my force.
I am get out.
Yeah, honey, I'm not. Yeah.
Take care of my life.
So many no problem. Jesus Christ. I am not auntie.
Get my life.
If you allow us the line, Jesus Christ. Let's come on and look at him.
Look at him.
Hey. Check me. No one. You should not forgive me. Umaka o. Ibu umaka. Chineke na umaka wuru mbojo.